Welcome to our channel. Today we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to sign up for Tesla's solar panel program. Step 1. Visit Tesla's solar website. Go to tesla.com/solar panels and explore the different solar products and options available for your home. Step 2. Enter your address. Input your home address to check if Tesla solar panels are available in your area and to get an accurate solar estimate based on your location and sunlight exposure. Step 3. Customize your solar system. Choose the system size, roof type, and energy needs. Tesla provides an online calculator to help you estimate how much energy your home requires. Step 4. Review your savings and costs. Tesla will provide a breakdown of costs, financing options, and potential savings on your electricity bills. Compare the options and select what works best for you. Step 5. Submit your application. Fill out your personal and contact information to request a quote or start the installation process. Tesla may also schedule a site assessment if needed. Step 6. Confirm installation details. Once approved, Tesla will contact you to finalize financing, permits, and installation dates. Step 7. Installation and activation. Tesla's team installs the solar panels and connects them to your home. After activation, you can monitor your energy production through the Tesla app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.